Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix background app refresh not working issue on your iPhone. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue, so guys, in this video I will show you how can you fix this problem. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, for that you have to just simply open settings, and after that guys scroll it below and locate for the battery. So guys, here it is. So guys, simply tap on it. Now after that guys, simply turn off low power mode, and after that again go back and open general, and from here guys simply tap on background app refresh, and here you can see background app refresh is working. And after that you can select it from Wi-Fi and cellular data, and after that you can turn it on and off, and in this way you can easily turn it on your background app refresh. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.